Woo! You see this right here? 245 pounds. Was able to do barbell squat today. 245, 5 by 5, which is 1 more rep per set than last week. So 5 more reps total. And whoa, do my legs feel super strong. Next week I get to move up to 265, start over from 5 by 3, and then each week add some more reps until I hit 5 by 5, rinse and repeat until I am strong AF. And for me, I like to keep my exercises and my program pretty simple. As you can tell, my program is a linear program, meaning that I'm not doing like periodic undulations. I don't even know how to say that word, but my program is like really straightforward. It's 5 by 5. Once I can complete that, then I move up weight, and then I start over from 5 by 3. And then each week I'll just add more reps total until I can complete the 5 by 5. Linear as in it's like I just keep adding weight and just keep adding reps. Whereas like different types of programs will have you do certain percentages and then do like a heavy day and then a light day and this and that. But I like to keep my exercises very simple. They're probably, actually most likely, the other programs would benefit me more, but I've just done this for so long and it's worked really well for me that I've just stuck in with a linear program, and I haven't really tried anything else. And yeah, and then with that being said, with my exercises, I keep it simple as well. I do my barbell lifts like squat, bench, deadlift, and then when I actually have a gym, every other exercise like dumbbells, like machines, cables, those are just supplemental to build my barbell lifts. And that's how I treat all my lifts and all my exercises. You don't need to get super fancy with the types of exercises that you do. Actually, again, this is all for me personally. I don't like to complicate things so often, and there's always new and improved, and yeah, that could work, but for me, like, this works pretty well, and I really don't like to overcomplicate things. But the work isn't done yet. Just got back from my run. Only did 1 mile just so that I can keep my legs moving, so that I can keep my running streak going. And actually ended today with 6 times 100 meter strides at about a 5:30 mile pace. And I'm gonna start incorporating these strides into my weekly routine just so that I can get a little bit faster on my shorter distances, my 5Ks, my half marathons. And this is actually on the recommendation of my fellow YouTuber, Dimitri. I'm gonna put his channel up right here and then also link it in the description below. Dimitri is a beast. He is a productivity YouTuber. He has his own podcast, and he's also a super experienced runner. He's run a 4:10 in the mile, which is mind-blowing to me. I wish that one day I'll be able to break 5, maybe one day, but he's ran a 4:10. And if you know anything about running a mile, 4:10 is beastly. So shout out to you, Dimitri. Go check out his channel, give him some love, give him a follow, tell him that you came from this channel. And it's just a little crazy to me that since committing to YouTube, and for me it's really only been a little over 2 months, it's presented me with so many new opportunities. I've been able to practice my speaking skills, my on-camera skills, my off-camera skills, my editing skills. So I'm getting better in those areas. Not only that, but it's been able to connect me with people like Dimitri, cool people that are like-minded, that are pushing me to the next level. This YouTuber community, it's really, really cool. And one of the other YouTubers that has been really supportive of me that I want to give a shout out to is actually my boy Max. He's actually from the UK, and he is the one that designed my profile picture and my banner. And I don't have those skills, so go check him out. He is another YouTuber, and he's just really been supportive of my channel. He always gives me good feedback, and he's also a beast. He loves fitness, he loves reading, self-development, and Max and Dimitri and so many other people are the type of people that I want to surround myself with, because I've already noticed in just 2 months that I'm starting to level up just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. And this just gets into surrounding myself with the right people in real life and on YouTube. Not that YouTube isn't real life, because it's definitely real life, but for me, I really try my best to surround myself with like-minded individuals that will give me feedback, whether that's good or bad, because bad feedback is good too, because that means I can better something in my life. And I really have taken this to heart because I want to be pushed to that next level. I want to help people get to that next level as well, and surrounding myself with the right type of energy. And I am not that spiritual, but like energy, that's a real thing. Like positivity, negativity, when someone is super negative, it really kind of like dampens my mood and gets me down. And I really try my best to be that person, that positive person that can spread that positive energy, but also I want to be that person that can lift you up and bring you to the next level. And I love being around people like that as well, like Max, like Dimitri, like a lot of you small YouTubers. You've really given me that energy and that inspiration, and I'm just gonna go on and on and on. And it's just crazy to me that, you know, everything is just lining up, as I said before, and I'm just meeting so many cool people. A lot of those cool people are you, the viewer that is watching right now, so thank you. I appreciate all of you, each and every one of you. Speaking of surrounding myself with good people, look what my friends Sarah and Kevin dropped off. Homemade guac, homemade green chili salsa, and a bag of chips. Can't wait to enjoy this. Literally one of my favorite snacks. And Sarah and Kevin are actually my fellow BJJ blue belts. We go to the same jiu-jitsu gym, and for me personally, I've met so many good people and so many good connections that I've made are from the jiu-jitsu gym. So if you want to surround yourself with the right crowd, you might want to check out your local jiu-jitsu gym. So thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to catch a couple of my other videos, there's another video here, there's another video here, and another subscribe button over here as well. See you tomorrow.